Welcome, in front of me I have KOSPET Tank T3 Ultra 2 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the phone application. So if you want to factory reset your watch by using the phone application, of course your watch needs to be paired with a phone, and once the devices are paired together, you can open the Apex Move application on the phone that is paired with your watch. In the app you can tap on My, and here you should see a list of my devices, and on it there should be Tank T3 Ultra 2. Tap on it to select it, then scroll down, and here we have the factory reset option. Tap on it, tap on Confirm, as you can see, the watch is resetting, and after a while you will see the list of languages, which means that the factory reset is complete. Also, you can unpair it if you don't want to see this pop up on the screen of your watch, basically asking you if you want to repair the devices together. I want to repair them, so I'm going to tap on the check mark, but like I said, if you don't want to, tap on unpair before you tap on the check mark on the watch, and the message won't pop up anymore. Okay, and that's how you factory reset this watch by using the phone application. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.